Hey guys, so this video is all about evidence of evolution and cladograms. The two multiple choice questions I'm going to take you through are primarily for molecular homologies and structural homologies. Your biggest words from this unit are here, and then here are the annotations. And then we are still following the criteria for success of how to break down a multiple choice question. All right, the first one. The image above shows the amino acid sequences. Amino acid, remember, is just protein. So each of these three little letters represents one different amino acid. Altogether, these are just segments of protein of several different organisms. These are my organisms. Which organism is least related? So if it is least related, then it is going to have the most differences. The way that I count differences is I just look and see what is the amino acid that the majority of organisms have, and then which ones are differing from that. So if I look in this column, I see that the majority is threonine, or THR. 3 of them have that. And then I see the rhesus monkey, horse, and kangaroo have something different. If I look at the rest of these, all of these columns are the same, meaning that there are no differences in this part of the amino acid sequence. So this means that the rhesus monkey, horse, and kangaroo are all equally different from the gorilla, chimpanzee, and human. So humans, gorilla, and chimpanzee are all related. And then the rhesus monkey is the only one with my biggest difference that was in my answer choice. All right, this one. All right, I forgot to bracket my question, the other one. The similarities of the bones labeled A provide evidence that. So that's my question. This, as soon as I see a diagram, I see that this is showing me homologous structures. Remember, homologies are just similarities. And my evidence of evolution, meaning molecular homologies and structural homologies, tell me that we evolved from a common ancestor. All right. I can see that here also in my diagram that this is structure A, is pointing to a similar structure that is happening in each of these different organisms, humans, whales, cats, bats, and birds. They all have structure A, which tells me that all 5 of these species evolved from a common ancestor. All right, let's go through my answer choices. All right, the organisms that may have evolved from a common ancestor. I see that word common ancestor. Common ancestor means like similar ancestor. All right, all species have one kind of bone structure. I can see that no, because these are all different. The cells of the bones contain the same type of mutation. I cannot see these mutations. Mutations happen in DNA. I cannot see DNA happening in these. All structural characteristics are the same in animals. Well, this is definitely false, because I can literally see in my diagram that there are many different characteristics shown in animals, because these look different. So these are not my answer. I see that this one, evolved from a common ancestor, matches my annotation for homologous structures. Therefore, this is my answer. Your job is going to be following this criteria for success and answering the practice questions on this page, and get started. Have fun.